Okay, so let's see. So far, we've created two links. One that can open up a website in a new tab, and a second one that forces the mail client on the user's computer or device to open up so that you can send them an email. Now we're going to create a button that will allow us to click, and we can do either open up the email client or we can open up another web page. So let's see how that's done. Well, creating the button is really easy. I'm just going to go and put this on a new line, use the break tag, and a button is just a button. You're going to love HTML. And I think we'll do more technology news. And close the button tag. Okay, this last bracket here is just so that I get an arrow on my button. So I'm going to save that, go back to my website. There we go, more technology news. Let's click. Oh. Okay, so in order to make this a link, we need to use a little bit of JavaScript code. JavaScript allows you to specify what happens at certain events. For us, when we click it, we want to go to a web page. So we're just going to type in onClick equals, and in speech marks, document.location equals, and we're just going to type where we want to go. Okay, now I don't know the full address, so I'm just going to click on technology there, click up there, right click so I can copy, and I can get rid of that tab, and right click in there and paste, and there it is. There's my link. Press Ctrl and S to save, go back to my site. Let's try it. Look at that. A button. See if you can create 2 or 3 buttons on your own website and make them jump to another page. Create the button, use the JavaScript code, and put the URL inside, and you're good to go.